Hi everybody, it's Laalitya, and welcome to the next episode of Stayin' Playin'. So I know a lot of us are starting to feel the self-isolation blues, and I hope that today's episode just cheers you up a little bit. So today we're going to be doing a craft with a technique called quilling. Quilling is also known as rolling up paper. You can fold the paper after it's rolled up into a variety of ways, and that makes it so that you can make basically any sort of shape or craft out of it. I've made everything from little baby feet for baby showers to this pair of earrings that I'm going to show you guys how to make today. So I hope you guys are excited. Let's get started. So we're going to start off by using the back of a dowel. And this is actually the back of my real quilling tool, but I wanted to do open middle quilling because a lot of people have access to dowels and you don't need a quilling tool to do that. So to do this, we are going to take our dowel and we're going to wrap our paper around, and we're just going to continue wrapping it around for as long as we can. See that there? And then obviously you're going to try to line up the paper to the best of your abilities. We're just rolling. Let me tell you about the paper real quick. This is just a strip of colored paper that's 2/8 of an inch wide. The key is to have skinny strips of paper as it'll be best. So now that we have this all rolled up, we're going to put a little bit of glue on this open end and then seal it shut. And we're going to make 4 more of these. And then you guys want to align them into this shape. And then I'll show you guys how to make this into an earring. So for this part, we're actually going to be making the top of the earring where our hook is going to go, or if you're making a pendant, also where the hook is going to go. So we are going to have to use a quilling tool. And so for a quilling tool, you see there's this little slot, and so you want to just put your paper into that slot, which sometimes gets cranky. And then if you guys can see right here, this is how it's gonna look. And then since this is a tighter one, you're gonna want your start to be right at the edge. And then you're gonna roll this up. So the other way that you can make a quilling tool is actually use a thick toothpick and make a slit in the center, and that's actually how I used to use my quilling tools at the beginning before I had this tool. And so I would very much recommend it, but if you're a younger kid, please have an adult do it for you instead.